What if you could put your lead generation on autopilot? What if you could wake up every morning to a list of hundreds of potential customers, complete with their email address without ever paying for an expensive software or API? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a powerful scraping workflow in n8n for free. Let's find business on Google Maps and automatically extract their email address. So let's dive in. So I have already made this module. So let me explain this. So we will trigger this manually. And in the first module, we scrap from Google Maps. And if I open this HTTP module, we will make the get request at the following address: google.com/map/clergy plus dentist. So we are going to find the dentist, and if you open this and search in the browser, you will see the list of the dentist and how we can get their website and email address. So let's go back to the flow, and you will set this ignore SSL issue and response header or status no error, and make this true. And next, once we get the data, we will extract the URLs. We will extract the URL, and we have written some JavaScript code. You can copy and paste this code, and this will give you the website's URL. And then we will filter out. We will add the filter. So we will remove all the schema which has, we will remove all the website which has schema, which has Google and GG and GC static. We will remove all these websites and filter them out, and then we will remove the duplicates. We will remove all the duplicates websites, and then we have set the limit. At this time we have set the limit of 10, so we will only grab the 10 websites, and here we will loop through all these websites, and we will make another API call. We will get the website data, and after that we will wait for a second and then extract the emails. For the email, we have written this code, and it will give us the emails, and we will loop through all the websites and gather all the email. Then after this is done, we will wait for 1 second. We will wait for 5 seconds, and then we will add another filter, and we will only fetch the email. We will only fetch the records which has the emails, and then after that we will split them out, and finally we will remove any duplicate emails, and after that we will insert them into the Google Sheet. And I have connected this Google Sheet, and the sheet name is email, and you can see right now this is empty. And let's try to run this flow. If I execute this flow, and it will search for the dentist and then extract the URLs, then filter out the Google URLs and remove duplicates and find the first 10 only. And this is looping through all the websites and fetching their email addresses. And once this is done, we will add them into the Google Sheet. So it has run successfully. 5 items went to the Google Sheet. Now let's go back to the Google Sheet, and you can see we have 5 email addresses of the dentist. Now go back over here, and let's try to find some doctors in the USA. So I will change the URL. I will change the URL like this. Copy that and paste that over here, and doctors plus USA, this is my keyword. And if you open this over here, and you will see list of all the doctors in the USA. And if I run this this workflow again. Now this time it is finding the doctors on the US location, and once it is done, it will add them into the Google Sheet. So you can see we have new 5 items, and if you go here and you will see we have more email address. So let's try to find the hospitals in the US. So I'll change the query and execute this one again, and this time we are going to find the hospitals email addresses, and after some time it will give us all the data, and we find 2 items, and those 2 items are added over here. So next let's try to find restaurants in the USA. So I'll go back here and change the URL and go back over here. So how you can make this dynamic, how you can run this automatically without changing the URL every time. So let's execute this flow first, then I'll show you. Okay, it's still running. Taking some time. And simply, if you make it dynamic, you can schedule and you can add the keyword, whatever the keyword you would like to search, you can add the keyword and it schedule the flow. It will automatically search those keywords and grab the email address and save them into the Google Sheet. So it's taking time to run this query. So this is how you can grab the email address by using the Google Maps and using the n8n. Very simple and very easy. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.